Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. I am Balendra Pratap Singh, a founder of New Door Consultant LLP. Might be thinking of where I am right now? So I am at National Highway 48, coming from Delhi, heading to Viratnagar. Yes, to the Viratnagar, a place which holds a historical value, which is at the foothills of Aravalli Ranges, next to Sariska Range, with a very beautiful nature. I'm going there to see a farmhouse development which is coming up by the name of Cozy Creek Farms. This place is at 3 hours drive from Gurugram if we come by the National Highway, and if we wish to come from the DMIC, by that if we come, it's a 4 hours drive. Place Cozy Creek where we are heading, it's a farmhouse development which have approximately 50 bighas plus land parcel where AD exclusive farmhouses are coming up, where you can make a place for your organic farming, you can own that space for farm living, where you can relax with your family, can do work, and it's hardly like 3 hours drive from the Gurugram. Let's go there and see the place. So friends, we have reached to the Mannat Resort. This is the landmark on the National Highway from where we have to take left to reach to our farmhouse destination, that's the Cozy Creek Farms. So from here, it's a 10 minutes drive. On the National Highway, when you reach to the Mannat, just from here, hardly 100 meters is the left that we have to take. And then from here, in 10 minutes, we'll be at Cozy Creek. Let's go. Heading to the Cozy Creek Farms. Important is the location. So as we said, this Cozy Creek Farm is located in Viratnagar. A question comes up, why Viratnagar? So as we told you earlier also, that Viratnagar holds a historical value. It's a heritage and a prestige location. It is believed to be an ancient capital known as Virat Kingdom, mentioned in the Mahabharata. Also, this town is known for archaeological sites and the ancient temples, which makes it an interesting place for the history lovers and the tourist enthusiasts. So the places like that we can see here is the Mughal Gate, one of the place. Then there is Akbar Ki Chhatri, and then there is Aravalli Ranges, one of the, of course, a place. Then we have Viratnagar Fort, Bhimgata Cave, which is in Pandavas Yug Temple, a very historical place. Sabi River, which flows just next to our farmhouse. So here we reach to the destination we are talking about, to the Cozy Creek Farms. Let me introduce you to the core team of it first, and then we'll go through the complete project. Let's go. Wow, finally to the place, the Cozy Creek we were talking about. A place, a best AQI. See the sky, the blue skies, the nature, the Aravallis, the Sariska Range, the Sabi River. Amazed to be here. So here is the team to whom I just wanted to introduce you. Hi, he's Pradeep from Ambavta Buildcon, Raman Chauhan from Scene Fintech, and Rinku Kapoor from the New Door Consultant. So this is the core team and the brain behind this project. Pradeep bhai, would love to hear from you.
Hi, I am Pradeep from Ambavta Buildcon, and I am happy to introduce you in Cozy Creek.
Hi, this is Raman Chauhan. I'm from Scene FinServe. Scene is a wealth management company. So our real estate arm, Scene Realty, is excited to announce our new project, Cozy Creek. So Cozy Creek is surrounded by mountains, rivers, and forests. So we are launching in 2 phases. First phase with 23 bighas with luxury farmhouses exclusive by invitation only.
एज हम आपको यहाँ पे 3 तरह के फार्म्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं. पहला तो 100% बिल्ट अप फार्म, जहाँ पर आप अपनी फार्मिंग कर सकते हैं. सेकंड हम आपको दे रहे हैं जिसमें आप 1 BHK डिज़ाइन करा के ले सकते हैं. और थर्ड ऑप्शन होगा जहाँ पे आप 2.5 BHK डिज़ाइन करा के ले सकते हैं, जो कि हम आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करके अकॉर्डिंगली जैसी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग डिलीवर करेंगे. जैसे कि हम आपको 3 टाइप्स के फार्म्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं जो मैंने आपको बताया था, उसी तरह से एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग करूँगा तो कभी अगर मैं वीकेंड पे या कभी आता हूँ तो मैं स्टे कहाँ करूँगा. तो उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे एक लग्जरी क्लब हाउस प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम कुछ स्पेशलाइज रूम्स भी बना रहे हैं फॉर स्टे ओनली, जिसमें वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए ऑफिसेस कल्चर भी होंगे, रेस्टोरेंट होगा, स्विमिंग पूल होगा, और सारी प्लेइंग एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए भी हम सब कुछ उसमें डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं.
Just to summarize, we are standing at Cozy Creek Farms, first phase of 23 bighas with 38 plus farmhouses, exclusive farms, organic farms with 1.5 BHK and 2.5 BHK options. Now let's have a look to the farm.
So all builder farms, including our club, restaurant, and the entire project will be managed by known hospitality partners. Here you can easily earn 8 to 9% annual return. So I would suggest those who are looking for a rental income, Cozy Creek is the best option.
Also, the construction is in full swing. As you can see, the boundary wall work is already on. And we are just waiting for crop time to shut down. Once it will be done, then the main road work will also be initiated.
आप देख ही सकते हैं कि पीछे हमारे चितौली डैम है जिसको कि जल परियोजना के तहत जोड़ा जा रहा है.
Also, Pradeep bhai, you were talking about the DMIC connectivity which is coming up here.
हमारे सामने वाला जो रोड है उसको 50 से 60 फीट का ऑलरेडी पास कर चुके हैं, जो कि बहुत ही जल्द DMIC से कनेक्ट होगा. वो ऑलरेडी हमारा कोटपुतली से कनेक्टेड है और पास में ही हमारे पावटा शहर है, पास में ही हमारा विराटनगर शहर है.
विराटनगर एक खुद में एक हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस है. आपने पांडवों के बारे में सुना होगा, जब पांडव वनवास के लिए गए थे और अपने आखिरी के वनवास के 1 साल को अज्ञातवास में गए थे. तो अज्ञातवास में वो सारे पांडव विराटनगर को ही आए थे. तो यहाँ पे उनके बहुत सारे ऐसे चिन्ह हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करने को मिलेगा.
We have briefed up the complete project, the connectivity, the location to you. The important factor comes up is about the pricing. So for that, would request your call. On call, we are available on website. You can see the complete details. Would love and will be more than happy to host you at our site. Hope you had a great view of the complete farm living that we are briefing up and what we are willing to propose you. And if we have missed out something or if you have any query, feel free to contact us. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.